Hey subscribers, part 2 of the 1964 Chevy K20. I want to call it restoration, but assembly. So I'm going to take the nose off of the half a truck so I can get to the engine mounts and pull those out and put them in the other frame. I removed my first panel off the cowl, and it appears the truck was originally a greenish color. Looks like a really nice color. So that's probably what it'll be painted again. Now as I take fasteners off of this cab, I walk them right over and bolt them onto that cab so I know where they go. I won't be scratching my head later with a bucket of bolts. I hate it when people do that. Engine mounts are removed. Came off pretty easily. What I do is I torch one side of the rivet and then I pierce into it a little bit just to relieve it. And one whack of the hammer and they pop right off. Perfect. I pulled the cab off because now I'm after this cab mount and that cab mount over there because they're different between this frame and the other frame. The cab mounts are surgically removed. For the time being, I'm probably just going to bolt them on because they're a little thin in places, so they'll need some work. And I don't feel like doing it right now because I'm just trying to put the truck together. When it finally does get restored, that'll be the time to fix it. Time to finally remove this ugly plow frame on this thing. And there we have it. The ugly plow frame is no more. Got the engine mounts all bolted in temporarily. Cab mounts are on too. So now I'm going to try riveting. I've talked to plenty of antique engine guys and got some pointers on how to do it. So I think it's going to be fun. I can't wait to try it. One engine mount is riveted in. Came out pretty good. Not bad for a first time. Seems good and solid. I'm going to try the second one. Well, both engine mounts are riveted in. This one came out much better than the first one. Oh well, it's a learning process. So if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe down below. And stay tuned for part 3 when I set the engine and cab and start assembling the truck. Until then, I'll catch you later.